How to fix can't log into Microsoft account. Hello everybody. If you're having that issue on your device, in today's video we'll be guiding you step by step in order to fix it. So let's head over and go over and search for registry editor here and run it as administrator. Within our system, click on yes and allow the changes here like this. Now once you are here, let me just close this up for now. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to HKey local machine. And from here, go ahead and expand it up. From HKey local machine, go over to software and expand this right here like this. And from software, you're gonna go ahead and find the option for Microsoft. Once you find Microsoft, expand it. And from Microsoft as well, we're gonna find Windows. You can scroll down for that and head over to the Windows section right here. Find Windows and expand it again. From Windows, we're gonna go ahead and find current version and expand current version as well. And from current version, we're gonna go ahead and find the option for policies. And then once you find policies, for one last time, expand it and go over and find system right here, and this will be available on your screen. Now from these registry editor values available on your screen, you're gonna find enable LUA, this one right here, and you're gonna make the value data 0, and then you're just gonna go ahead and click on OK and confirm it up. And once you do so, you can go to the start, head over and go to the start option and restart your computer, and that should help you with your Microsoft account not being able to log in. So that's it for today's video. You may follow up this method. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.